Minijob to embark 1103. We have European Union really helping the maritime employment because they understood that we bring revenue to Europe, so 4 million direct jobs equals 14 indirect, total 44 times 30,000 euros. You multiply per year, how much cash would be around Europe? But yeah, they are pushing forward this. So they have decided in the European Union that as your pension is going to be zero, because coffee 2 years ago here was 3 euro half a kilo. Now coffee is 6 euros half a kilo. So the next 2 years the coffee will be 12 euros, I guess. The eggs, it is 2 euros. 2 years ago, 1 euro. So this is the tendency. Therefore, they are really pushing so that, like in Germany, everybody has mini jobs, because we need you to bring revenue to Europe. Yeah, they have decided this in the European Union, and I laugh because they decide nothing. It's 26 countries just running with no heads, no chicken. Brrr. So anyway, if you really want to have a mini job, which could be 2,850 euros AP, 2,200 net steward on board the ship, well, if this could be a mini job for you, 7,000 euros second engineer, 4,800 third engineer. Is that a mini job? Well, one way or another, they have to decide in Europe if this is going to be tax-free, so you could really help your pension. I know that today they are working very hard in Brussels. Yeah, that's a joke. They're just working on how to get more tax from you, how you pay more VAT, the coffee and the eggs, and so on. But if you really want to go towards that, because you feel homesick of not being sailing like I do, working every day and floating in our late mothers, on our mothers inside, float, have a happy life and go back to the sea, well, then you can apply crew inspector here, Candina, because we are very excited about this news. Unfortunately, this is going to be the tide for all of you retiring, but fortunately, we're here to help you. Thank you, bye.